To enable the YouTube auto-dubbing feature, head over to YouTube and click on your profile picture on the top right-hand side, and then click on YouTube Studio. Click on Settings from the left-hand side, and then on Channel. Click on Advanced Settings up top, and scroll down until you reach this Automatic Dubbing section. Make sure that this Allow Automatic Dubbing option is set to On, and then select whether you wish to manually review dubs before publishing or not, and if you do select this option, whether you want to review dubs in all languages or only review dubs in experimental languages. Once you're done doing so, click on Save at the bottom. To use the YouTube auto-dubbing feature, either upload a new YouTube video or select a YouTube video you already uploaded and then click on this pencil icon to access its details. Click on Languages from the left and then make sure that the tracks are published under this audio section. If you wish, you can also add a new language on the top right, such as Bangla from India, and then add an audio track of your choice. If you want even more YouTube tips and tricks, make sure to check out the video on the screen right now.